Hey, welcome everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lanyard out of ribbon. Went yesterday, I believe, and got a bunch of ribbon. The dollar store sold it for $1.25. So I got like 10 different types of ribbon, as you can see. But first of all, I cut a piece of ribbon 38 inches long. Then you want to take the ends on both of them and burn the ends to keep it from fraying. You're going to take and fold it in two. Make sure it's nice and straight. You don't want it twisted, especially once you start to sew it. So I have it, take the end of it here. And then I got my clasp ring. I got these at Joann Fabrics. And these sizes work perfect for this ribbon also. Then I'm going to insert it through here. As you can see, bring it down about 1.5 inches. Then I'm going to take this, fold it over. Then I'm going to fold it again. Then you want to pin this right here because you don't want it popping loose on you while you're sewing it. Coming apart. Got it pinned just like this. Double check and make sure you got it together straight. Then I'm going to stitch it back and forth a couple times. Make sure it holds nice and smooth. Couple extra stitches I did just to make sure it's nice and strong holding. There you have it. It just takes less than 5 minutes to make lanyards. So I have it made. I like this actually better than the one that I bought at the store. The one I bought at the store was about this thick, and it aggravates my neck and stuff, so this is really going to work out a lot better. But if you like my videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Until next time, take care.